style like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl AnJae Monea, and today we are here with Ali Pearl with this gorgeous unit, guys. I absolutely loved working with this hair. It's super soft, super flowy, and today I know you guys see something a little different because yeah, we're getting into the JAYDA WAYDA edges. I'm going to be JAYDA WAYDA. So yeah, you know what, with this unit, let's go ahead and do some cute fluffy baby hairs for the summer. So let's get right into the video. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, cause y'all my bookies, so I could be honest, right? This is my second wig that I've done in the past 24 hours, so I just kept my stocking cap on, so y'all not gonna get that part of the story, but I'm gonna give y'all something else, all right? So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I am going to use some rubbing alcohol to clean off my forehead, because you want to make sure that you're always cleaning off your surface before you apply any adhesive, especially if it's a spray, because you don't want that to mess up with the longevity. I did bleach the knots on this wig, but it did come pre-plucked, so it was actually pretty lit. I went in and plucked it just a bit more because, you know, you always want to do things based off your likening, but if you don't have your expertise in wigs, this is like a really good unit. I got my stocking cap on. I actually used the HD stocking cap that comes with this, and what I love about the HD stocking cap is that because it's so thin that you don't have to use like wig glue to make sure that it really sticks down, so that's a really big pro. I just put the wig on my head and it doesn't fit, like it's a little too small for my head, so I'm gonna show you guys what to do in a case where things are a little too small for your head. See the wig, right? It's a really nice wig. It's a 13 by 4, and what you want to do is you want to cut the back of the lace kind of off of where the tracks are sewn. This is how much I've cut. Now I did that on both sides, and this is kind of like my guideline. When I put the wig on, I'll be able to push it down the way that I need to. I'm definitely going to cut like, or push some hairs back in the middle because it's a little too far down on my forehead. So probably when I put this on, I'm probably gonna get rid of this little area here. I'm gonna be using, guys, I literally never really use wig glue when I do my wig styles because I'm always changing my hair up and I don't be liking wearing my wigs for too long. So this is a really good product. I've used it before and basically all my videos. This is the Even Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive and Extra Firm Hold and Sensitive, because y'all know I kind of explained to y'all how I get down with my sensitivity. So this is really good for me and I really like it a lot, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. So I'm gonna be using that today. So I'm gonna do probably like 3 layers on my forehead. You wanna be careful when you're doing this because it is a spray and it's liquid and then it gets tacky. So if you don't have an HD stocking cap, or if you're not like the best with the stocking caps, be careful putting this directly on it because this will cause it to lift. And I don't know if y'all know what it's like to have your stocking cap lifted, but it just really makes you re-question things like, do I want to do this? Okay. I like to check. I kind of want it to be dry. Like, I don't even want this to, like, I want it to be tacky, but I want it to be dry. This is my first layer. gonna be honest with you guys, this wig is definitely like really snug. Like really snug. So I would say if you kind of have, I mean, I don't think I have a big head, but now I'm kind of questioning because this got me thinking, hold up, Neon. So I usually do this part first, but since I didn't have like a normal amount of lace, and I had to kind of create it, I have to do this part second, which is cutting off my ear tabs. Whew, y'all know how I feel about stuff on my ear. We know that. Okay, so I finally got this thing like laid down. It's really snug. So sometimes when you have a wig that's really snug, it can ripple. And when it ripples, it just kind of looks like these little lumps. It's not really the cutest. I had to kind of go back and fix some of that just because it was a little too snug. But now I'm gonna go ahead and change the color of the lace. This is HD lace and it's definitely giving me HD. So the next thing I'm gonna do is my spritz trick. I actually use my fingers today and place it like that. I ain't trying to get this everywhere. Yo, I don't know why it burns every time I use spritz after laying lace down. I don't know what that's about, but it literally burns every time. We are gonna be doing baby hairs, but I do like to push it back regardless. I call things and then I'll fix what needs to be fixed. Take the band. Wow. When you take the band off, a lot of extra makeup and stuff like that comes off with it. That's what I love about the spritz thingy, because whatever extra glue, whatever you had going on, it literally comes off. Some hairs are kind of everywhere, but that's okay. That's just kind of like the nature of wig installs and stuff like that. Let's be JAYDA WAYDA today. Let's be JAYDA WAYDA today. So to be JAYDA WAYDA, first thing that you need to do is you need to own like a little mini curling iron. This is, my friend gave me this like in 2017. It's been working for a while, but this is from Absolute Heat. It's really bomb. It's the perfect temperature for edges. Like even if I'm doing edges on like somebody's actual hair, it's a perfect temperature. Okay, you're also gonna need some type of like gel and some type of spritz to hold down the edges. So anyways, you're going to need a comb. I don't do edges in the front. I don't really think that's my thing. I do more to the side. You want to take a nice amount, but that's like way too much. But I was saying, like, as of recently, I've been doing my edges with Eco Styler because it just looks so freaking good. Like, it's not hard. That was my biggest thing, like edges looking a little hard, and I don't really like it looking hard. So anyways, you want to section off the amount of hair that you want. I like mine to be a little thick and it's curly hair, and I feel like this is the best time to do like really dramatic edges because the hair is curly and it just makes the most sense. I'm gonna do one side first and then I'm gonna do the other side because I just think that'll be easier to focus. one down, I do one up. I would have them fluffy, and this is kind of when you can decide what you want to do with your edges. So with that, I'm going to be using a comb with smaller bristles versus this. I like using combs. I have more room with combs. I'm going to use some spritz first on my comb because that just kind of gives me an idea of what I'm going to be doing. So do I want to go this way? I want to go like that. Think about how you want your edges to be. That's the first step. Just a little bit of Eco Styler gel. Like when I tell y'all I'm using this much of Eco Styler gel because you don't want a lot in the beginning because sometimes it takes a little second to see what you really want. And I'm not putting it on the lace, I'm putting it on the hair. You want to avoid the lace. Doing the lace makes it a little bit more complicated. Sometimes hairs decide that they want to be a part of the party. Just let them. Don't even argue. Just invite them in. It's a process, y'all. It's a process. That don't mean I can't, it just means I zone. I like to come in and pluck them, but I think thick dramatic edges just work for the style. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you gotta do. We're gonna let this sit. You wanna spray it with some spritz once you kind of figured out how you want it to be and immediately start to dry because you don't really want it to move and the spritz is gonna kind of just harden everything in place. So now I'm gonna come in using some foam. This is actually like setting mousse for braiders. I think this will work because I just want to like flatten out the top a little bit, and then we'll really be done because this is curly hair, so you never really have to do too much with curly hair. I love it because it just expands. Oh my goodness, it's expanding. So guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, it is definitely eating. I absolutely love these curls. Like they're super soft and super flowy. Like it's just giving everything that it needs to give. Yeah, it's make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe because we're officially here. Like we're officially really doing this. We're really coming with the heat, back to back with the videos, different collaboration with companies. Like I'm just too excited. Just too excited. But yes, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye. So I cut it. I just felt like it ain't better this way, so don't be mad. Yeah. The middle was eaten too. I didn't change the middle, I just threw it to the side. So I'm gonna just throw this clip in here just so y'all can see like there's options. I love curly hair, but like when it looks too big, it's just like, hold up, wait, get paid. Yeah, that's on, no? Okay, so this is also the finished look. So depending on what part of the video we in, this is also the finished look. This is the real finished look though, because I'm actually gonna go outside and this time looking tonight, real Hispanic, real a bitty bitty bum bum, a bitty 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 bum bum, a bitty 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 bum bum.